Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Mikey, and today I got my next big unboxing for you. So let's get started. Okay, so the box is now open. This is from AirsoftGI this time, not eBay. So I've never ordered from GI yet. So yeah, we got paper, which is always cool. It's like the best thing. Okay, so first up, got some new flapjack goggles. Like $30, pretty cool, vented, soft, comfortable. Next, I got a Tenergy 7.4 volt small to medium lipo. Then I have a Tenergy balance charger, and yeah. And I also have a lipo guard, so don't have a fire or anything. And just a extra 9.6 they had lying around or something. Then I have a Condor triple double stacker M4 mag pouch. And then I have my new vest. It's on eBay it's called the Wasatch vest, or something like that. On here, on AirsoftGI, it's just OE-Tech, and it has integrated mag pouches, molly all over. It's really cool. It costs like $60. In here is the best thing of all. My new gun. It is, if you can see the box from there, the G&P carbine, however people say it, whatever. So let's open it up. Okay, so first up you get Magpul PTS paper Spartan imports. It's a warranty, I think. Just kind of skim through it. Piece of foam, always nice. And then we have AirsoftGI quality control. With .2s, it was shooting 438, and visual inspection and whatnot. Just want to see it there. And there's that. And then Magpul 130 round PMAG. Awesome. Or 120, sorry. And then the gun itself. Yes. Oh, I've been waiting for this for so long. It has MBUs on the back, MBUS sight, or whatever you call it. Magpul pistol grip, Magpul crank, or not crank stock, 6-position stock, handguard, Magpul handguard, sorry. There we go, sorry. This is not the short version, in case you couldn't tell. The short version is stubby and goes out to like there. This is the longer version and has a decent weight to it. Full metal receiver. It's really nice. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.